everybody, and welcome. It is January 26th, 2024. This is episode 2020, and it happens to be Book Lovers Friday, where I read you a segment of my book from your money sign. Today it's going to be Book 1, Chapter 6, Segment 6. And this is talking about how to use your net. If you don't know about your money sign, you have your spend, your invest, your give, and your net account. So let's dive into the net. The net account is never spent. Not for emergencies, not for special occasions, not even for once-in-a-lifetime vacations. It can, however, be grown. Here's what I mean. Let us say that you have really focused hard on your finances and been able to put $2,000 into your net. I mean, congratulations, that's awesome. That's hard to do. The $2,000 is currently sitting in a bank account earning a very low interest. You decide to put, say, half of it into an index fund that your coworker says pays dividends. So let's just say in this hypothetical situation that $1,000 in the bank and $1,000 in the index fund. At the end of the year, your bank, let's just say, pays you $10 in interest, and your index dividends pays you $60. You haven't spent any of your net. You have not touched the $2,000, so it's never, ever, ever spent. So you're following the account rule. I applaud you for your resilience and discipline. All right, so now you have $70 that you could put into any of the accounts. You could put it in your spend account and like maybe buy a nice purchase. You could put it in your invest account and add it to your portfolio, play around, figure out something that you want to play with. You could give it in your give account and find a unique way to express yourself. Maybe you buy some paints and paint a canvas for somebody's birthday or something. Now you could, of course, lock it back into your net account and then never, ever, ever spend it again. And obviously you could divide it amongst all of the accounts. It's really up to you. Now I had to embrace this concept myself. This was when I finally learned why the net account is so valuable to the rich. It's like their secret weapon against liabilities and expenses. Like, this is how the rich get richer. The rich have a large chunk of money that they call capital that they never spend. They just let it lazily grow in a very low risk account. And this is where the term money making money comes from. I had always been told to trade my labor or my skill set for money. I had never been introduced to the concept of money being what makes me more money. For rich people, they grew up around people who discuss this concept and encourage the habit. They talk about whales, which are people who hold a large amount of a stock. When those whales sell shares or make buys, it drives prices for everyone else. Their stories of market manipulation, insider trading, white-collar crimes, and interest hikes are very common among high net worth groups. Low net worth groups probably don't even know what I'm talking about. But in any detective show, they will say, follow the money. Once you understand the invest and the net accounts, you'll see how they complement each other. Your net is never, and I must be adamant about this, ever to be spent. When you learn in your invest, then you can build your net. And as your net grows, you can help your invest. I started out spend, invest, give, net. That's S-I-G-N, sign. Now that I have greater success, I've now actually switched it around. Net, invest, give, and spend, but N-I-G-S is not as marketable as S-I-G-N. So I stick to instructing in the order that I myself grew. Your money sign is completely customizable as long as you follow the rules. Let's recap. Your spend account. Spend must be spent once you put it into the account. Your invest, you must be used to grow money once you put it into the account. For your give, it must be used to give the world the best of you. And your net must never, ever be spent, but can be used in low-risk investments to grow more money. Discover your floor, which I talk about in another chapter, and honor it. And then define your ceiling, which I talk about in another chapter, and set yourself up on a financial habit so that you'll attain it. Success is never a surprise to the successful person. They have planned, they adjusted, taken action, learned, adjusted again, and kept going for years to reach their goals. The only ones surprised by this are the zombies. These are the people who are brain dead about money. Use your brains and follow the concepts outlined in your money sign. Use your net account intelligently, and you will be amazed at how quickly you start to make financial progress towards your ceiling. Now, as a generational S4, the way to making money by not spending money was completely a real mind twist for me. So if your brain is feeling a little fried at the moment, you're not alone. And that was book 1, chapter 6, segment 6. So I want you to see how quick and easy it is to read these different segments and to go through these different areas. If this has been of value to you, or you think it could be value to somebody else, please like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. Our channel is growing, so it is awesome. Thank you for being part of it, and I hope to see you on another one.